Congress chorus for a change of leadership in the INDIA bloc is getting louder every single day. And no, it's not the BJP, but the allies of the Congress party in the alliance who feel that Rahul Gandhi perhaps is not capable of being the face of the alliance or the leader of this group of parties with a common agenda that is to defeat the BJP. After an open declaration by Mamata Banerjee that she is ready to take over the reins of the INDIA bloc, TMC netas are flaunting NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar and his daughter Supriya Sule's endorsement to say that Mamata Banerjee, with her track record of repeatedly defeating the Bharatiya Janata Party in every election, is the right choice to lead the bloc. While the leaders from Uddhav Sena, RJD and Samajwadi Party also do not seem to be averse to this idea of Congress no longer playing the role of the big brother in the India bloc. Listen in to these reactions. Several top leaders of the India Alliance, including the NCP leader Mr. Sharad Pawar, have now called on Bengal Chief Minister Ms. Mamata Banerjee to take on a leadership role within the India Alliance. It is under the leadership of Ms. Mamata Banerjee that the Trinamool Congress has consistently and constantly defeated the BJP. The track record of the Trinamool Congress in defeating the BJP is unparalleled. If this service to the people now requires her to take a leadership role in challenging the BJP at the national level, then she is ready to do so.
अब देखिए, अब ये तो सब लोगों को मिलजुल के फैसला लेना है और जो सबकी राय बनेगी उसमें हम लोगों को किसी के नाम पे कोई अभी विचार नहीं किया है, लेकिन जब ये निर्णय होगा सब लोग बैठेंगे तभी हो सकता है। इस पे तो सब लोगों को बैठ करके जो है बात करनी चाहिए और हमारे समझ से इंडिया अलायंस में जितने लोग हैं, जितने सीनियर लीडर्स हैं, कोई भी आए तो उसमें आपत्ति किसी बात की नहीं होगी।
नहीं, राहुल गांधी तो अब भी इंडिया गठबंधन के नेता नहीं, चाहे लोकसभा का चुनाव हो चाहे विधानसभा के चुनाव हो। कांग्रेस ने कहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म कर नहीं पाया कहीं। अगर लोकसभा के चुनाव में इनकी सरकार है, हिमाचल प्रदेश में 4 की 4 सीटें आ गई।
Now, these comments are being made for a reason. Under Rahul Gandhi, the gains INDIA bloc made in the Lok Sabha elections are being reversed in one state after another. While it seems allies have learned their lessons from the recently concluded elections in Haryana, Maharashtra and the by-polls in several states, the grand old party remains in denial. When Kirti Azad of the TMC first time spoke about Mamata Banerjee being the tallest leader in the India bloc, Manikam Tagore of the Congress party called it a good joke. Now, with endorsements pouring in from other allies too, Congress party continues to say that Rahul Gandhi was the leader of the India bloc and will remain so. Listen in to who said what first from these political parties.
गठबंधन में एक बड़े भाई की भूमिका में कांग्रेस पार्टी थी और हमेशा रहेगी। राहुल गांधी हमारे नेता हैं और नेता रहेंगे और सबके साथ लेके चलना, सबको एक जोड़ के लेके चलना और 10,000 किलोमीटर की यात्रा करना, जिस तरीके से देश को उन्होंने जोड़ने का काम किया, कन्याकुमारी से लेके कश्मीर तक और पूरी तरीके से मणिपुर से लेके महाराष्ट्र तक, तो ये उनके अंदर एक क्षमता है। निश्चित तौर से वो हमारे नेता हैं और इंडिया गठबंधन के एक बड़ी भूमिका में, बड़े भाई की भूमिका में वो हमेशा थे, हमेशा रहेंगे।
जब टीएमसी की जीत हुई तो टीएमसी ने पूरे देश में अपना नेटवर्क तैयार करना शुरू किया। हरियाणा में भी, उत्तर प्रदेश में, बंगाल और वहाँ गोवा में भी हर जगह हाथ पांव मारा। टीएमसी कहाँ तक सफल हुई इसी से समझ सकते हैं। जो अपनी पार्टी बंगाल के बाहर नहीं ले जा सकी, वो देश तक का स्तर पर क्या लड़ेंगे, क्या नेतृत्व करेंगे।
And viewers, the BJP says this reflects INDIA is a sinking ship and Rahul Gandhi certainly can't be the glue to keep the parties together and take the alliance forward. Listen in.
There seems to be a clear messaging going to the Congress party that you can't take the other parties for granted, and certainly its leadership in Mr. Rahul Gandhi is being questioned. Now this is something they have to answer. The Congress party, what are their views? And on the other hand, whether it's acceptable to their allies, the BJP has no role to play in this.
And joining us on this debate this evening is Anila Singh, spokesperson of the BJP. We have Vijay Kaushik, leader of the Congress party, Asif Ansari, political analyst, and Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst. Good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. Vijay Kaushik, मैं आपसे डिबेट की शुरुआत करना चाहूंगी. एक के बाद एक करके जितने भी आपके एलाइज हैं इंडिया ब्लॉक में खास करके, उनका राहुल गांधी की तरफ जो विश्वास है एज लीडर ऑफ द इंडिया ब्लॉक वो कहीं ना कहीं गिरता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. अब डिमांड आ रही है कि ममता बनर्जी जो हैं उनको बना देना चाहिए इंडिया ब्लॉक का लीडर. क्या आप भी एक्सेप्ट करने को अब तैयार हैं फाइनली?
देखिए, सबसे पहली और आखिरी बात यह है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के सुरक्षा चक्र को छोड़कर जो भी उससे बाहर जाएगा वो भाजपा की सीबीआई और ईडी के हाथों मारा जाएगा. ये लोग अपनी जान बचाने के लिए हमारे पास आए थे. सबने ऑफर की थी कि कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में भाजपा की जन विरोधी नीतियों के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं. लेकिन अब फिर सीबीआई और ईडी के डर से ये रोज नई तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं. इनसे पूछिए, क्या कांग्रेस ने इनसे कहा था कि आइए हम गठबंधन करें? नीतीश कुमार जी निकले, उन्होंने सभी क्षेत्रीय दलों से बातचीत की और सभी क्षेत्रीय दलों का एक मत था कि कांग्रेस के अंदर वो दम है कि वो विपक्ष की जो सामूहिक एकता है उसका नेतृत्व कर सकती है. और आज भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ही एक राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है. आम आदमी पार्टी अपने आप को दम भरती है कि भी वो भी एक राष्ट्रीय पार्टी बन चुकी है, लेकिन जनता ने जिस तरह से उसे देश भर में नकार दिया है पूरा देश जानता है. तृणमूल कांग्रेस को भी नकारा जा चुका है. ये सभी क्षेत्रीय पार्टियां हैं आज भी, और कांग्रेस आज भी एक राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है और नेतृत्व करने की क्षमता भी हमारे अंदर है. वो तो माननीय राहुल गांधी जी ने ये देखते हुए कि देश को बचाने के लिए सभी का सहयोग जरूरी है, इसलिए इस गठबंधन के लिए यस कर दिया था. अदरवाइज गठबंधन की राजनीति ने कांग्रेस पार्टी को सदैव नुकसान पहुंचाया है. मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं राहुल गांधी जी का कि उन्होंने कांग्रेस पार्टी के फायदे नुकसान को तवज्जो ना देकर देश के फायदे नुकसान को तवज्जो दी है. निश्चित तौर पर देश बचाने की जो लड़ाई राहुल गांधी जी लड़ रहे हैं उसमें कोई साथ हो या ना हो हमें इसकी चिंता नहीं है.
Asif Ansari, how will you like to respond? Because it doesn't seem that the Congress party is going to accept Mamta Banerjee as the leader of the India bloc. Now she herself has said that she is ready. She's got support from Sharad Pawar as well, from his daughter Supriya Sule too. Even other allies like RJD, Samajwadi Party, etc. it seems are not averse to this idea, even though they haven't really fully supported Mamta Banerjee.
Well, what we have seen over there, that what is happening with the Congress, you will see these are the ramification of the electoral mandate which has come from the Haryana and the Maharashtra in the row. Now, the thing is that when the Congress has a attitude or rather been an image of a huge as a mammoth party who has been ruling a country since independence, so it will be a very hard thing to swallow Mamta Banerjee as the opposition of leader. And well, where Mamta Banerjee is considered, she is a lady who has shown the guts, and her priority of the list is the development. Now, when the Democratic Alliance, which become claustrophobic these days, and where you cannot flex your things to work together, I think that is the right time that you should move on. And when the opinion is created...
When you say move on, what are you trying to suggest? That
move on.
Now TMC should no longer be a part of the India bloc, should move separately the way it is moving separately in the winter session of Parliament?
You will see that in a multi-party democracy, there is always a level chances that when your responsibility is given, your responsibility become bigger. As Mamta Banerjee has shown in her own state that she is an iron lady who can fight against such a huge party which come in a majority after Indira Gandhi gained a majority. The second is the BJP party who got the majority, but Mamta Banerjee does not let BJP to sneak into West Bengal. Now the others party who were in alliance with the India, they are showing the confidence confidence that though we have put Rahul Gandhi on the face, we are not any grudge or we put down Rahul Gandhi, because Rahul Gandhi is of course a very big politician and he is leading. But the opinion creation is the main soul of the democracy. When opinion is created, you created a leader.
Okay.
Mamata Banerjee herself has never acclaimed that she is going to be the part of this despondency alliance is happening. This is the others party opinion that they want Mamata Banerjee to lead LOP.
No, I mean, as far as the India bloc is concerned, now she herself has expressed willingness that if given a chance, she's ready to, lead the bloc.
Because she has compelled to say, because the others party like Sharad Pawar ji, who's been the senior most leader now in the all over India.
She is compelled because there is no other option.
Because we need to lead, we need to fight against the BJP, right?
Okay,
we
Anila Singh. As far as the India bloc is concerned, they feel Mamata Banerjee is the right person to give some kind of, a fight to the BJP at the national level. How will you like to respond? And also how this also shows that perhaps there is no confidence in Rahul Gandhi anymore as far as the leader of the India bloc is concerned.
My Ram to all. And see, we very well knew that what is going to be the future of this alliance, and Bharatiya Janata Party was very clear when we used to talk about this India alliance, because we knew it is the collectiveness, togetherness of all the political parties which are opportunist. They just want power for their own use. That is why they have come together. And if they will see that now there is absolutely no point of being together, they will split. So this is what has happened. After 2024 election, we knew it very well that this particular alliance is not going to see the light of the day. Because, as I said, that it was in a darkness and it will be swallowed by the darkness. Today, if a couple of the political parties says that Ms. Banerjee is the perfect leader which can lead this alliance, India alliance, then they again have got a selfish motives. Ms. Banerjee herself is saying, I am the perfect candidate who can take this alliance to the heights. So what Mr. Gandhi has to say about it? According to this Gandhi family, if any woman who can lead this alliance could be Priyanka Gandhi, not Ms. Banerjee. So as I told you, whether we talk about any of the political parties, say Samajwadi Party, say NCP, Sharad Pawar, say TMC, say RJD, all these family-oriented political parties, do you think they are going to come under one umbrella, under one leadership? Of course not.
Okay.
Like we saw that...
so you're calling them opportunistic. Asif Ansari wants to quickly make a point, then I'll go across to Dr. Akashdeep Muni. Asif Ansari, go ahead.
Yeah, just as the madam just have said that Priyanka Gandhi is going to lead the Congress, she is the Gandhi family. But I must say that if you come down to the list of the acumen, Mamata Banerjee is only a lady or only a politician who has served most of their time into a parliament. In a government, in a governance, he has an experience. Whom you are going to bring into a politics? Are you going to be a nepotism politics are coming by a family, or you bring up people who have already served with a responsibility?
Okay.
Mamata Banerjee will be serving.
Well, you are definitely pushing for Mamata Banerjee's name as somebody who can lead the India bloc, but then it seems that the Congress party is not really ready to vacate that particular space. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, the question is that it's not just one leader. We know how in the past leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party have also suggested Arvind Kejriwal's name as the chief of the India bloc, somebody who can take on the BJP head on.
See, Arvind Kejriwal himself has said that he is just a member of India Alliance and he has no plans to lead the India Alliance in coming times.
Okay.
So the thing rests there.
No, he may have said that, but leaders, that's why I said that leaders in the Aam Aadmi Party are of the view that when it comes to leading the India bloc, Arvind Kejriwal is quite capable of giving
Of
a
course,
tough
Arvind
fight to the
Kejriwal-
BJP. So,
No, I totally
if you are
agree with
saying
you.
that Arvind Kejriwal is in no mood to lead India bloc, then will the Aam Aadmi Party support Mamata Banerjee as the leader?
See, Arvind Kejriwal is most competent enough to lead the India bloc. Why? Because he has government in 2 states, and that too BJP is unable to placate him from these 2 states called Delhi and Punjab, and again it's going to come back in Delhi in the coming assembly election. But coming on to the BJP spokesperson's comments of being opportunistic, I want to remind them that after the Lok Sabha elections, what Sanjay Nishad has said, that bulldozer chala ke ghar todoge to jeetoge kaise? O.P. Rajbar, who says that चुनाव के जिम्मेदार, हारने के जिम्मेदार सिर्फ मोदी और योगी हैं. BJP leaders Moti Singh have questioned Yogi and Modi. Jaunpur MLA Ramesh Mishra have questioned Modi and Yogi. Nand Kishore Gujjar BJP MLA says that Yogi के हिसाब से टिकट नहीं बताई गई. इतने सारे लोग योगी आपके खिलाफ आवाज उठा रहे, तब ऑपर्चुनिज्म नहीं था. आज इंडिया अलायंस में अगर किसी ने बात कर ली तो opportunism हो गई.
Okay.
So
I will get Anila Singh to quickly respond to the point that you have made, then I'll come back to you with the question that I asked you, which you did not answer. Anila Singh, quick response, and then Akashdeep Muni.
See, I have to say one thing to Mr. Muni. Dr. Muni, just now you mentioned so many names of our leaders. All right, from Uttar Pradesh. You quoted Uttar Pradesh specifically. So I just have to say one thing here. Did Dr. Sanjay Nishad left NDA? No. Did Mr. Rajbar left NDA? No. Any of the leaders which you quoted, did they leave Bharatiya Janata Party? No. Have they said ki okay, now that particular leader is Sanjay Nishad is good enough a leader who can lead NDA? Did anyone said that? No. So this is a basic difference, sir. You must try to understand. You can raise your voice, you can raise your concern, but leaving and seeing the cracks in the alliance, they're totally different things.
Okay.
Here what we see
Okay.
is India alliance is cracking.
Okay.
It is going to be, yes.
Cracks have started emerging in the India bloc. Now chorus is growing for a change in the leadership. Akashdeep Muni, you did not answer my specific questions. You started by saying that Arvind Kejriwal perhaps does not want to lead the alliance. Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party is part of the India bloc. So will Aam Aadmi Party in that case support Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the bloc? She's already got support from Sharad Pawar, his daughter Supriya Sule, and it seems even RJD is open to this idea of having a new leader.
Last time when the leader of opposition alliance was decided, Arvind Kejriwal has supported Mamata Banerjee many a times, and tomorrow if Mamata Banerjee becomes the India alliance leader, then Aam Aadmi Party will be happy enough. But my point is that I want to remind one small fact check. P.A. Sangma recently left your party in Nagaland. Do you know? And it's also said that in Manipur, they had no trust on the Manipur BJP government. Please check your facts before you say that nobody has left Bharatiya Janata Party NDA alliance.
Okay, quick rebuttal, Anila Singh, then I'll go across to Vijay Kaushik.
I quoted what he had said. And let me tell you, sir, NDA is alive in today's date, this moment. Okay, we are alive. We are thriving. We are running the government. We are heading India. We are heading Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
So we are talking today about the political parties who have got all the plans to leave this alliance. Ms. Banerjee is saying, I am much more capable, and in many ways she is. She is saying, I am much more capable to lead this alliance. Otherwise, we are good. Tata bye-bye. So this is a basic difference. So you cannot compare the two alliances.
All right. I'm completely out of time now, but thank you very much, all of you. Anila Singh, Vijay Kaushik, Asif Ansari, and Dr. Akashdeep Muni for joining us here on this debate. Of course, this is going to be a top focus ahead as well.